So taking your time, bending your knees up, and a good way to do this is to roll on the outside edge of your foot, sliding the foot, and then bringing the knee up. That's going to take the pressure off your low back if you find bending your knees up uncomfortable. Place the feet flat, about a hip's width apart, nice distance away from the body. And you're just going to bring your awareness to your breathing, just noticing the gentle rise and fall as you breathe in and as you breathe back out. Notice where that breath moves within the body. As you breathe in, can you allow the breath to come into the front of the body? If necessary, bring your hands onto your belly. And as you breathe in, can you allow the front of your body to let go, to gently expand as you breathe in? And as you breathe out, allowing that to softly melt back down. Noticing a gentle rise and fall. With your next breath, we're going to create a gentle arch into the low back. So as you take a nice breath in, can you go ahead and intentionally create a little arch into your low back, allowing the chest to open, bringing that awareness into the back of the body. And as you breathe out, slowly melting back down to where you started from. Taking a full resting breath at the bottom. And then when you're ready, we're going to do the same thing again. So as you inhale, allowing your pelvis to gently roll away from you. And this time bringing the awareness to the head and allowing the chin to gently tuck towards the chest, creating that gentle arch into the whole of the back of the body. Bringing the awareness to the spine, to the back of the body as you breathe out, or breathing as you need to. Allowing that back to slowly melt back down again. Taking a full resting breath when you're at the bottom. When you're ready, going again, making sure you're not forcing into any pain or discomfort, making this movement a lovely, relaxing inhale into that arch. We're recreating here the green light reflex, the contraction of the muscles through the back of the body. As you exhale, slowly melting, bringing that awareness to that softening of those muscles to dehabituate that pattern of movement. Completely relax. Take a full resting breath. Same thing again when you're ready. Inhale into that lovely arch, chin tucks to chest. As you exhale, slowly melting. Taking an extra breath as you need to. Notice any jumpy, jerky shakiness to the muscles as you're letting them release. So when you're ready, just one more time. Nice inhale. Creating that lovely arch, noticing that lengthening as the chin tucks to the chest. Bringing all that focus and awareness into the back of the body as you slowly melt. Taking as many breaths as you need to. Completely relaxing. Taking a moment here to just take a few nice relaxing breaths, just to allow your brain to feel this, to integrate any changes you've started to make. So now we're going to come into the second part of the movement, which is a flattening or a bowl We've just been creating this lovely arch, so now we want to lengthen through the spine to create almost a bowl shape to the spine. A lovely way to help you to do this movement is to bring the hands onto the front of the body with your thumbs on the bottom of your ribs, your little fingers onto the top of your pelvis. And we want to think of a closing through the front of the body. We're shortening through the front. We really want to think about how we can lengthen the spine to do this movement. So we're going to take a nice soft breath in just here. And as you breathe out, can you allow your pelvis to tip towards your belly as your rib cage drops towards your pelvis, and your head's going to roll back this time, noticing how your shoulders want to gently come forwards and your rib cage sinks. As you breathe back in, you're going to slowly soften out of that movement and allow everything to let go. It's almost like everything is folding inwards into the center of your body. So when you're ready to go again, same thing, taking a nice soft breath in. As you breathe out, think of lengthening the spine to create that lovely bowl, noticing that shortness through the front of the body. The head lazily rolls back, the shoulders come forwards. As you breathe back in, slowly melting again. Take as many breaths as you need to soften out of this and completely relax. Taking a full resting breath. And the same thing again when you're ready. A nice soft breath in. As you breathe out, sinking and lengthening the spine. This is recreating the red light reflex, that startle reflex, that stress reflex. As you breathe back in, slowly melting out of it. Making the movement as easy and as comfortable. No forcing into any pain or discomfort. Move within your level of comfort. One more time when you're ready. Nice soft breath in to prepare. As you breathe out, sinking, think of lengthening the spine, noticing how you shorten through the front of the body, lengthening through the back of the body. As you breathe in, slowly melting and completely let go. Taking a full resting breath. Again, allowing your body to sense and feel any changes it started to make. So now let's bring these two movements together. So we're going to come into our arch and then come all the way through into our flattening before melting back to neutral. So when you're ready, taking a nice inhale, creating that lovely gentle arch into the back of the body, allowing the chin to tuck to the chest, the pelvis to roll away, no forcing into any pain or discomfort, moving within your level of comfort. As you breathe out, slowly melting. Take an extra breath as you need to then sink into that lovely lengthening of the spine to create that flattening or that beautiful bowl. As you breathe back in, melting back to neutral. Completely relax. Same thing again when you're ready. Inhale into that lovely arch, chin tucks to chest, pelvis rolls away. Bring all that awareness into the back of the body as you recreate that green light reflex. As you breathe out, sinking into that flattening to recreate that red light reflex, connecting the front and the back of the body. As you melt back to neutral and letting everything go, taking a full resting breath. And then one more time, if you're comfortable, inhale to arch. Exhale as you sink into that flattening, taking an extra breath if you need to. Inhale as you soften back to neutral. letting everything go. Slowly sliding the legs out straight, and if you want to, opening the hip to do so. And just notice, bringing that awareness to the weight of your body onto the floor and any changes that you've started to make compared to when you first laid down today.